Nake Ngabana wa kaunti ya Bomet niwe Hilary Barchok ni ahinyiriirie muingi wa kaunti yo na makiria andu ethi mekirire kwiyandikithia ta aikia a kura. Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria mwako wa thibitari wa level 4 tauni-ini ya Bomet, Barchok augite andu ethi mari na mweke mwega wa kunyita itemi thiini wa gubanga mwathanire wa bururi na njira ya guikia kura. Maabitha a ABC kaunti-ini yo ni manjiriirie gucerera muingi micii-ini niguo gutigirira ari othe marenda kwiyandikithia ta aikia a kura ni magia na mweke ucio. Maya marahanika riri kurerikana matura mamwe ma bururi na baya aria mareyandikithia ni nini.
Na ningependa kuwahimiza hasa vijana wetu, the Gen Zs, quite a number of them are now over 18. Wengi wamechukua identity cards. Tunawahimiza wachukue kura. And those who are above 18 na wachachukua identity cards. Processing of those cards nowadays imekuwa rahisi. Within 2-3 weeks uko na your identity card. Please visit the nearest center where you can register come a citizen of Kenya, and the only way that you can be confirmed wewe ni mwenyeji wa Kenya na ukiwa na kipande, identity card.
The process of registration, the way registration is doing now is not so badly off, because so far we're almost halfway our target, and we're happy for that. What we do in the office is the change of particulars. That is, in case you change your name or you want to change your details of your voting registration center or your personal details, we do it in the office. We also carry out the transfer of voters. That is, if you want to vote in Bomet Central constituency, we change your voting station to Bomet Central in the office. We don't do it in the field.